Hi fans, join me. Let's quickly make this okra vegetable soup for your family to enjoy. So, ah, let's get started. Join me to the kitchen. Let's do it. First, I start by grating. I cut some okra and also grated some okra inside my meat water. I added the already blended okra, allow it to boil, added some maggi, salt, pepper, crayfish. I give it a quick stir. Then I also added the cut one, the one that I use knife to cut. I also give it a quick stir. Are you not seeing what I'm saying? Please like, share, and comment. Support your girl, support my hustle, my little efforts, Ejo beg. Like and share. Comment. Let me know what you think about this, my method of cooking okra. In this recipe too, I use a wedu, which we call it in our own language, abi karen karen, some call it karen karen. So that's what I decided to use to make this okra soup. So after that, I also added my fried macrofish. Yes, I fried it after preparing. I also fried it too because I don't want it to scatter, because this soup I'm making it for my little boy so that I can be able to be eating and not swallow these days. I already made Okra soup before, so but he didn't like using it to eat, so that's why I decided to make this okra soup for him, special for him. So that is it. So if you have not been using the ewedu leaf to cook okra, Yoruba use it to do ewedu soup, but I use it to cook okra soup. So look at the outcome. Is it not yummy? Please, guys, like, share, and comment. Let me read a comment. Let me know what you think about this my recipe at the comment section. Did you like it? Will you eat it or waka pass? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow my page. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. I really appreciate you guys for coming, for stopping by always, and for watching this my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All I can say is just thank you. Please like, share, and comment, subscribe, follow my page. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Love you.